Almost 200 million worth of volume for Nikola for today, with 30% jump in profit. We have a major news for Nikola. We have to discuss where the price target for this month and by tomorrow, and for this week, of course. So let's dive deeper and discuss the price target for Nikola, because we discussed Nikola in our live streaming before the market opened, and we said the price is about to break the $1.38, and we said the profit taking is around the $1.57. If we go here, we see the price hit our profit taking, and we already took our profit for Nikola for today, of course, around the $1.53. And you see the price going a bit down. So now we have to discuss where the price will go, because in our live streaming that we always do around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time, if you live in the United States, we said the support that we should hold is around this box between the $1.16 and $1.28. We said as long as we hold over this box, we are good to go to hit our profit taken. So where the price will go? You can actually win 15 free stocks when you join Momo platform. And how you can win those stocks? This is a really great question to ask. Really simple. You can just open an account on Momo and you can get 1 free stocks. However, if you want to increase your chance to win those stocks, you can actually deposit $100 in order to win 5 free stocks. And there is no funding deposit, platform fees, everything. Level 2 data is all free. So use this opportunity and get you 15 free stocks with my special link in comment section below. And let's get ready back to our video. Now this is turned to our resistance around the $1.58. We have another profit taking around the $1.75. And one of the main reasons that Nikola jumped, because we have this important news that Nikola naming a former GM or General Motors executive as a COO. And again, we have other news regarding Nikola coming up in this week. That's why we have a huge volatility and almost hitting the 200 million for today. So first, in the technical wise, if we want to confirm the good sentiment for the market for Nikola, we need to hold still over the $1.28 and the $1.16. As long as we hold here, we are good to go to overcome this resistance around the $1.58. Once we break the $1.58, we're gonna have this profit taken around the $1.75, and we might have the $2 price target. So this is my price target for Nikola, at least for this week. After we hit this level, we might have a bit of resistance. You know why? Because Nikola is a bit heavily shorted. After this short opened back in the 18th of August, we have many back holders. So the idea here, so once we tested the $2, we might have a major rejection. But after we get rejected here, we need to hold a new support over the $1.50 or $1.75 to have a breakout next time. We don't want to have this reaction going toward the $2, then sell off until this support. This would be a major short attack. However, if we go until the 2, get rejected a bit, have a bit selling pressure is normal, guys. After that, we're gonna have a breakout from the $2, which we're gonna do update for it, of course. If that happen in pre-market, because we might have this by tomorrow, not even by Friday or the end of this week, we might have it by tomorrow. We're gonna do update for you guys here on our Patreon and of course on our Discord, because today we did update for 2 unicorn. One of them, it was EBET. It was a good hunt. We already closed our trade. Once we hit near the profit taken, we closed it around the $1.069. So the idea here, once we have Nikola overcome the $2 or hitting the $2, we have to do urgent update as usual around our unicorn hunt for precise entry and exit for Nikola. In the time being, we have to watch out for the $1.58 because we testing it right now. If we broke from this resistance in power hour, we might have this jump by today or tomorrow in pre-market. Let me just check how much we're missing. 25% to be exact, 25% in gain. We might have this reaction by today. If we have this, it means Nikola would end today with almost 55%. But if we have this by tomorrow, yes, we might do another 25% jump Like today we did almost 30% jump, not bad. So even if we have pulled back or we didn't break this level of resistance, don't be frustrated, don't be angry, this is normal. We have to have a bit of consolidation, pulling back down, a new trader coming in, then we have another pump. If the whale is still holding their position over that $1.28 or $1.16, we are good to go, as we said, for NKLA to have a pump. So watch out for those levels, and we're gonna do update for you guys by tomorrow on our live streaming. And before that, if you want to be notified before that, you can actually join our Patreon, because we always do pre-market update. If you're not ready joined yet for our Patreon and you want to have access to pre-market update and exclusive live streaming on Friday, and of course chart analysis update, you can actually join us here with 7-day free trial that will be ended by tomorrow. And of course, as we said, we're gonna do a live streaming by tomorrow for NKLA and other stocks on our watch list. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.